how to manually set the date and time on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. So you will see general management is here, so click on general management. Now here, so click on date and time. So after click on date and time, so first of all, turn off automatically date and time. So after turn off automatically date and time, so if you want to change manually set, so click on set date. So you will set date from here and click on done. So if you want to change time, so click on time. So you will see, so you will change time from here. So after change time, click on done and turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see date and time is changed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can manually set the date and time on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.